Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here, and we have a beautiful makeup look going on today. The hair is different. We got the baby fro out. She is popping, she is growing. You know, she's a little baby, but you know, we got to give her support and show her love either way, because you know, you got to appreciate every stage of life that you are. So I'm appreciating this short fro stage that I'm in right now. My video today is the twists on the Golden Globes look that Viola Davis had on. I love Viola Davis. Who doesn't love How to Get Away with Murder, right? We all love that show. I love How to Get Away with Murder. I love Viola Davis. So I love her look on the Golden Globes red carpet. So I decided to sort of recreate it. You know, I know it doesn't look anything like what she had on, but it just made me want to do it. You know, bring out the hair, you know, put on some makeup, look fabulous, because she looked wonderful on the red carpet. So if this is your first time to stumble onto my channel, welcome. Don't forget to join the family and hit the subscribe button before you head out, and of course give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell button at the bottom so that you get notified every time I upload. So yes, thank you for joining me, you guys. We're still counting down to 100 subscribers, and you know, don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't entered that already. So if you want to see how I did this beautiful makeup right here, stay tuned, keep watching. Alright, so today my makeup inspiration is coming from Viola Davis at the Golden Globes. I love her makeup at this event. It was beautiful. I think she looks stunning. I love her fro, you know, her hair. Clearly my fro is still, you know, itty bitty baby, but you know, she's my inspiration today. And I think, where'd she go? There she is. So she's my inspiration today. I think Viola Davis is an awesome woman. We just might take it up a notch, but today's gonna be fun. We're gonna do all kinds of cool stuff. So to create this look today, we're gonna be using the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. There's the palette, really beautiful. Look at all those colors. Look at all those colors. When I tell you that I love Juvia's Place, this is why. Like, their palette is phenomenal. So I've already prepped my eyes. I put some concealer on and then set it with setting powder. We're gonna dip into the shade Taza, which is this shade right here. So next I'm going in with the shade Zora right here. Nomad shade right here. Oh, that is beautiful. And I did not even wet my brush at all. So creamy. It's applying so smoothly. And I feel like I can just cut the crease without concealer. Yeah, that is pretty, very beautiful, very beautiful. Alright, I feel like I need a darker shade on the outer corner. We're gonna go into the Saharan palette. I'm gonna pick up a bit of Chad. It's really dark, really dark. I'm just gonna pick up just a little bit, and we're gonna pop that right here. I'm gonna go into this Value Maker glitter eyeshadow. If you haven't seen my review on this palette, I'm gonna link it right here so that you watch it and see, and you know, you hear my thoughts on it. I ordered this palette off Amazon, but you probably recognize this palette all over Instagram, right? It is the Fake Up Fix palette, the Jolie Beauty, the Delanchi on Amazon. It is, yeah, your mama, your papa, everybody's palette right there. Okay, this palette is like super popular. I mean, the glitters are decent. Okay, I don't think they're the best glitter eyeshadows out there, and the mattes I'm not even touching anymore. The mattes are like, honey, they're not working for me. Okay, for fairer skin ladies, the mattes probably will do just fine, because it's probably just going to show up as soon as it touches your skin, but as a woman of color, it is not working for me at all. I'm gonna go and use this glitter, and to apply that I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer. Just tap 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 over the color we just did. because if you use that eye, if you use the glitter just on its own, honey, you're not gonna get a good payoff. And I'm just gonna tap my finger into it right here and press it on. Hope that it sits. There we go. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Well, I definitely got my payoff after my first video when I didn't use a primer. So I'm just gonna use this little brush here and try to get into the inner parts. So if you've tried this Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, I'm curious to hear what you think about it. So you all saw my thoughts on this photo finish primer by Smashbox, right? Yeah, it's a fail for me. Go back to my Mary Kay primer. And we are just going to be applying that all over. Yeah, that primer just makes me look like, it's time to fry an egg. I'm gonna color correct. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Camel color corrector. I really like it. So let's get rid of the bad boys here. So did you guys watch my review on the Fenty foundation? I don't know if I'm gonna use that today. I really don't, honestly, I really don't know how I feel about that foundation. Like, I know it was crazy hyped all over YouTube. Crazy hyped. And I get it. Riri is loved, But you know what? Call me crazy. I'm going to try it out again today. I'm just going to do my little reinforcement here. Alright, second go. Come on, Fenty. 2 pumps. Let's go. Okay, so that's Fenty on for the second time, and I must say I think I like it better today. I like it better a lot. It was a very, very gloomy day here in Vermont that day, so it was kind of dark, but today we have better sunlight and I can see it more now in the daytime, and it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look bad at all. Okay, and hopefully it does do a lot better today without that crappy oil greasing Smashbox. I'm actually going to cream contour because I saw the comment about that. So the cream contour, I'm going to be using foundation, and I'm going to be using my Mary Kay foundation. So always you want to blend upwards, right? I'm gonna use Shape Tape. I like Shape Tape. shape clearly isn't as, you know, very obvious. So I'm just gonna put one drop of tan sand, just one. Dip into my Sacha Butter cup and we will set. Okay, so now to go over my face, I'm going to use my Mary Kay Shimmer Pressed Powder in Bronze 1. I really love this powder. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm just going to use that all over, to go all over my face. So let's just clean that off. So now we're going to dip into the ebony bronzer and just bronze the perimeters of our face. Just give it nice warmth. So I'm gonna go with my Scandinavia finishing spray to, you know, melt the whole powder and everything we just did. For the cheeks, I'm going in with my Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. Since I got this palette, I have not been able to put it down. Actually, today we're gonna use La Peach and La Bronze together, okay? Okay, now we're gonna glow, 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 glow. Okay, so I finished the rest of my eyes and I just popped on some lashes by Blush. Let's Get Mink lashes by Blush, and the style I'm wearing is called Fierce. Okay, so let's go on because my camera actually died, so I had to charge it for a little bit so that I can run up the video. And so far I think my Fenty foundation is still looking good, but we're going to go in now with this lipstick, the L'Amour lipstick by BH Cosmetic, the Miss Lynn lipstick. I think it was a collab between BH Cosmetic and Miss Lynn, so that's what we're going to use to finish off our look. I'm gonna go back into the Juvia's Place palette. I really love this color here, this cranberry color here, so I'm gonna put that on my lips. Okay, now so that's our look. What do you guys think? I think it came out really nice. It's a very nice play on the Viola Davis look, except more extra. I remember somebody commented on my post that, you know, I should do like a cranberry look. I hope this serves as a cranberry look because I think it does. If I can, I might come back again just to show you how the foundation looks after a few hours. You know, I just might do that just so we see how it holds up with the Mary Kay primer compared to the Smashbox primer that I used in my last video. So yeah, time now is 5:09. And I think I finished shooting the last time around like 1:30, 1:35-ish. So it's been a good, you know, few hours. So I do have a bit of a shine coming through, a bit of a glow coming through, but you know, obviously not as much as we did in the last video with the Smashbox primer. So obviously I would say that primer does matter, okay? Primer is very important. So it does matter what kind of primer you are using with your foundation, any foundation. So obviously with the Fenty, the Smashbox, was a no-go. I just look like I have a nice, healthy, luminous, you know, glow, as opposed to like a grease ball, you know, as opposed to being ready to fry some chicken. Okay, so we're looking a lot better. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button at the bottom so you get notified every time I upload. Okay, so from me to you, bye. See you on the next one.